Fatty liver disease affects millions of people worldwide. The good news is that you can reverse this condition with just 7 simple steps. Follow this comprehensive guide and take back control of your liver health. The first step to reverse a fatty liver is about cutting down on sugar and refined carbohydrates. When we consume excessive amounts of sugar and refined carbs, such as white bread, cakes, and cookies, our liver struggles to process and break down these substances. Over time, this can lead to the accumulation of fat in the liver, resulting in fatty liver disease. By reducing our intake of sugar and refined carbs, we can give our liver the chance to heal and reverse the effects of fatty liver. Cutting back on sugary drinks, desserts, and processed foods can make a significant impact on our liver health. But why are sugar and refined carbs so detrimental to our liver? When we consume these foods, our body converts them into glucose, which is then transported to the liver for processing. However, when we consume excessive amounts, our liver becomes overwhelmed and starts converting the excess glucose into fat. Additionally, these foods spike our blood sugar levels, causing our pancreas to release insulin to counteract the rise. Over time, our cells can become resistant to insulin, leading to elevated levels of both insulin and glucose in the bloodstream. This can further contribute to the development of fatty liver. By cutting down on sugar and refined carbs, we give our liver the opportunity to use its stored fat for energy, ultimately reducing the fat content in the liver. This can promote liver regeneration and improve its overall function. If you are enjoying this video so far, smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Now let's continue. Step 2. Include liver-friendly foods in your diet. First, focus on consuming foods that remove toxins from your body. These are vegetables such as garlic, beets, and leafy greens like cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, or kale. Then add the foods that will help repair the liver. These include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids and proteins. Examples of liver-repairing foods include beans, lentils, nuts such as almonds or walnuts, eggs, milk, fish such as salmon, tuna, cod, sardines or mackerel, and lean meat such as turkey or chicken. Regular exercise is crucial. One of the ways exercising helps reverse a fatty liver is by increasing insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, and when the body becomes less sensitive to insulin, excess glucose is stored as fat in the liver. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to process glucose more efficiently and reducing the buildup of fat in the liver. Furthermore, regular physical activity stimulates the release of enzymes that break down fatty acids in the liver. These enzymes help convert stored fat into energy, reducing the fat content in the liver. Exercise also has anti-inflammatory effects on the liver. Inflammation is a common symptom of fatty liver disease and can further damage liver cells. Regular exercise lowers inflammation markers, improving overall liver health and reducing the risk of further complications. To reverse a fatty liver, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise each week. This can include activities like brisk walking, biking, or swimming. Additionally, incorporating strength training exercises can help build muscle mass and further improve insulin sensitivity. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any exercise program, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are currently taking medications. Step 4. Maintain a healthy weight. One of the main causes of fatty liver disease is obesity. When we carry excess weight, especially around the waistline, fat can accumulate in the liver, causing it to become fatty. This is known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. By adopting a healthy lifestyle and achieving and maintaining a healthy weight, we can actively reverse fatty liver. Losing just 5 to 10% of our body weight can significantly improve liver health and reduce fat deposits in the liver. But how does weight loss help reverse fatty liver? Losing weight helps to decrease the amount of fat stored in the liver, allowing the liver cells to function properly again. It also decreases inflammation and reduces the risk of further liver damage. To maintain a healthy weight, it's important to focus on a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help promote weight loss and improve liver health. Avoiding sugary drinks and processed foods is also crucial. Step 5. Stay hydrated. Did you know that simply drinking enough water can have a significant impact on reversing fatty liver? It's true. When we don't drink enough water, our liver relies heavily on our kidneys to remove toxins, which can put additional stress on both organs. By ensuring we're adequately hydrated, we relieve this burden and support optimal liver function. Furthermore, water acts as a natural appetite suppressant, reducing cravings for sugary and fatty foods. By replacing those unhealthy choices with water, we can reduce the strain on our liver and encourage healthier weight loss. To experience the benefits of water intake on fatty liver reversal, I recommend incorporating a minimum of 8 glasses, or 64 ounces, of water into your daily routine. Though individual needs may vary, it's important to find a quantity that suits your body's requirements. Remember, not all beverages hydrate us equally. While caffeinated and sugary drinks may temporarily quench our thirst, they can dehydrate us in the long run. Water remains the best choice for optimal hydration and liver health. Step 6. Reduce alcohol consumption. Cutting back on alcohol intake helps reduce the extra workload on your liver. Alcohol is metabolized by the liver, and excessive consumption can overwhelm it, leading to fat buildup. By reducing alcohol consumption, you give your liver a chance to heal and regenerate. As you reduce your alcohol intake, your liver can start eliminating the excess fat. This not only improves liver function, but also decreases inflammation, preventing further damage. With time, your liver can repair and regenerate healthy cells, gradually reversing the effects of fatty liver disease. Pairing a reduced alcohol intake with regular exercise and a healthy diet can accelerate the healing process. Exercise helps burn excess fat and helps control weight, further preventing fat accumulation in the liver. A healthy diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, provides essential nutrients necessary for liver health. Step 7. Consider natural supplements. Here are the 3 supplements that have shown great potential in reversing fatty liver. Number 1. Milk thistle. This plant-based supplement contains silymarin, a potent antioxidant that has been found to promote liver health. Silymarin not only protects liver cells from damage, but also stimulates their regeneration. By incorporating milk thistle into your routine, you're giving your liver the support it needs to rid itself of excess fat and return to optimal functioning. Number 2. Turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice has long been known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can reduce liver inflammation and prevent the accumulation of fat. By adding turmeric to your daily supplement routine, you're giving your liver a natural boost towards optimal health. Last but not least, we have dandelion root. Dandelion root is actually a powerful liver tonic. It works by increasing bile production, which aids in the digestion and breakdown of fats. Additionally, dandelion root has diuretic properties, helping to eliminate excess water weight often associated with fatty liver. By including dandelion root in your supplement regimen, you're supporting your liver's detoxification processes and reducing fat accumulation. If you've been diagnosed with fatty liver disease, don't lose hope. By following these 7 steps, you can take control of your liver health and reverse fatty liver effectively. Remember, consistency is key, so make these changes a part of your daily routine. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more health-related videos. Take care of your liver. It's a vital organ that deserves your attention.